Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Put some fruits or vegetables in front of me and I'll eat them. I love produce and during summertime they taste even better as they're fresher and full of flavor. In general, everyone enjoys fruits as is, but there's nothing wrong with enhancing them by serving this tasty condiment. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my orange vanilla yogurt fruit dip. It's a mouthful of yumminess. Delicious, creamy, and extremely easy to make. This recipe pairs so well with any of your favorite foods. It's perfect for brunch, when hosting a party, as well as for dessert. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large bowl, we'll add Neuchâtel cheese, but it can be substituted with cream cheese, and some vanilla yogurt. Here in Canada, my favorite brand is Activia. Now using a hand mixer, we'll process until fairly smooth. To this, we'll add freshly squeezed orange juice, some finely grated orange zest, and agave nectar, although honey is another alternative. Once again, we'll whip until the ingredients are nicely combined and the texture is smooth. We'll take a piece of fruit to taste and adjust if necessary. We'll cover, transfer to the fridge, and chill for 2 to 3 hours to allow the flavors to blend. And my friends, this is our orange vanilla yogurt fruit dip. Smooth and creamy with a nice balanced orange flavor, this condiment enhances any fruit. Bring summer to your table with this yummy dip. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!